difference is on tune 1, I have the dash coaxials crossed over at 400 hertz, and on tune 2 I have the dash coaxials crossed over at 5000 hertz. So tune 1 the dash has mids, tune 2 the dash just tweeters, essentially. If I turn the mids down on tune 1 to where they're more proper, then the tweeters are crushed. So if you're going to run a mid and a tweet in this car in the dash, you're either going to want to run just a tweeter, or you're going to run a active mid and tweet so that you can adjust those actively. This is the case where active mids and tweets in the dash are actually a good thing for this car. But just the tweeter, with it set the way it is good. I'm also going to be trying to run a little lower, not into the mid territory heavy, but maybe down to like 1500 kilohertz. In fact, we could do that pretty easy. So if we go to 1 here and load it, I'm going to go and change that. So I can't put this up here where you guys can watch because it blocks the cooling vents and you guys get hot and shut off. So we'll have to just kind of hold it here and try to work with it. So we're going to go to the crossovers. We're going to go to channels 5 and 6. We're going to go to 5, and right now that's set at 400. Let's try changing this to 1500, which is kind of in the middle. Okay, and then we'll that's channel 5, so we'll copy channel 5, channel 6, and copy. And now we've made that change. Let's see what that sounds like. This is kind of in the middle of the other two. Still pretty hot. Let's try changing it 2K. 2500. Alright, there we go. That's working pretty good. Yeah, I like that. This is just the dash speakers now. I got everything else muted. That's what we're hearing out of the dash. Not much, huh? Let's bring in the front doors. Now if we take the dash back out, that's the dash. Twist that knob and let it flow. That's the rear speakers right there. And the subwoofers, of course. Let it rain. I like that. Go to preserve. We'll save it on channel 1. like that a lot better. That's a good middle ground. So we're playing the upper mids and the tweeters there. It's just enough crispness to bring the soundstage up and to fill it out nicely.
Connect.
Flip it to the flip flop.
Oh yeah.
Post it on TikTok. CAE dropping.
I like that.
And the shit go non-stop. We riding and basing. Placing and spacing. Stay facing first base and start your motor and racing. CAE on the mic.
Yeah.
Own it all night.
That's good.
CAE is dropping it. Ain't nobody stopping it. Let the big bass wave roll till the storm cloud break and the sky unfold. Gonna keep rocking it. Gonna keep rocking it.
That's good. I like that.
They get hot as the sun beat down. Big parking lot on the edge of town. Team 7 sound just dropping that bass crowd.
Yeah, I just thought I'd bring you guys along for a little bassing and a little bit of tuning in the Chrysler out here today.